Okay, y'all, let's get into this review. This review is for the Pattern Beauty Stronghold Gel. I originally purchased this. I had no intentions on buying any Pattern Beauty anything because, like I'm a reformed product junkie. But I was wearing my hair in a silk press or, an attempted silk press and wearing ponytails and things like that. And I have been playing around with different edge controls and things. And I'm like, why not? Why not try the Pattern Beauty Edge Control? I heard a lot of good things about it. Long lasting hold with extra slip. Say my name. You know, us naturalistas, the old school ones, it's got to have some slip, right? And this particular gel is a flexible gel that provides long lasting hold without breaking or drying the hair. It nourishes the hair while creating a slick look. And it is infused with sea moss, aloe vera, and chia seeds to nourish and fortify curls. So when I bought it, I didn't take it to mean it was something I could use like curl defining. Um, but I was like, you know what? Before I straighten my hair again, because that's what I was about to do, I was like, let me go ahead and try this gel to see how it does on a wash and go. It had been a while since I'd done a wash and go. And I'm like, okay, let me see if this is something I can add to my wash and go products list. Now, I purchased mine off of Amazon. There was a sale at the time on Amazon, so I purchased mine there. But what I like about the website, first of all, if you buy this at no extra cost, 1% of every dollar is donated to a nonprofit that you choose. I am all about giving back. I'm just now seeing this. And no, this is not, sponsored or anything. I'm just giving you all, I'm not gatekeeping on this stuff, okay? But I'm like, okay, that I love that. I love that. That's kudos. So next time I buy this, I'll go directly to the website and make the purchase, especially because I know that they're giving back like out the gate. This stronghold gel is protective strength, nourishing formula, luscious slip, aloe vera infusion, and sea moss blend. Okay, I didn't know. I thought it was something different there. That's why I was reading. But anyway, this is the wash and go. This I am going to be washing my hair or like refreshing my hair shortly. As I'm discussing this, I am also showing you like how long I have been wearing this style, the wash and go. You know, I love my wash and goes to last me at least 10 days. Right now there is movement. I have the fullness of the fro. There is movement and bounce. And I still have some definition. And when the wind blows, it'll move. It's not one unit, at least not yet, okay? Now, when I started this wash and go, I had forgotten my usual technique. So when I applied the product, I opted out of putting any leave-in conditioner. I didn't put any oils or anything like that prior to applying the product. I keep my hair, when I go to sleep, I keep it in a pineapple. Well, it's actually a big pineapple or a small palm tree. I use the palm tree method. You'll see, I'll leave a link or something somewhere where you can actually look and see the palm tree method that I do. But yes, this here is, I feel like it's gorgeous, it's beautiful, it's bouncing. And I got more compliments on my hair this time than I ever have with the wash and go, which is kind of interesting. I think that's kind of interesting because I felt like I've had other wash and goes that really did well. What else can I say? There is a technique to having a successful wash and go, but even with the technique, you still have to have the right hydration and moisture. You have to still work with the ingredients that your curls respond to. So if you want a defined wash and go, then you have to use products that have ingredients that include moisture, hydration, locking all of that in, as well as bringing your curls into like clumpage, full clumpage. Okay. And so when I was washing my hair, I washed my hair with the Melanin Hair Care line, the black soap. And then I did the deep conditioner treatment, Melanin Hair Care. That was it. I did not even put any other conditioners in my hair at all. I wanted to see how this product worked without any extra stuff. Okay. And it has done really well. Also, it's fluffier now because I picked it out on day 8. And when I say picked out, let me be clear. I went into the root and I lifted. So I lifted my roots on day 8. Forgot all about that. I did not diffuse my hair or anything, which is what I usually do, but I forgot. I just forgot. It had been so long since I've done a wash and go. Anyway, so that's what I got here. I got compliments on my hair yesterday from the same person multiple times. She was kind of like gushing over and saying how nice it was. And I'm like, okay, cool. That's validation. Even on day, what was it? Day 8, that it still looked nice, you know. Day 3, I got compliments, talking about how all the curls were in there and they were perfect, and that when people talk about wanting natural hair and having a wash and go, that's the look that they are talking about, which I thought was more validation. I'm like, oh wow, because I didn't know how the back was looking. I decided that I would ignore the back. Typically, the back of my hair, it doesn't stay defined very long, and it afros up. It has a little bit of definition, but not a whole lot compared to the rest of my hair. That typically is like the first area that leaves. And so I was kind of like reassured and really feeling really good about, okay, the back of my hair is still defined after 3 days. You know, I'm like, okay, because I was told, girl, your hair, the curls are all the same. And I'm like, what? She had me spin around and look, and I was like, oh, because again, I didn't even look. This is day 9 hair. I am loving it. Will this reach 10 to 14 days? I don't know that this will take me 10 to 14 days, but this is really good for the men who love to wash their hair once a week. You will have full on curls if you are a once a week person. Okay. I am more like every 2 to 3 week person. It is what it is. It's always been that way when it comes to washing my hair. I mean, as much as I love to play in my hair, I don't want to be messing around and doing all the things all the time. That's just too much, and it's not necessary. I clean my scalp. Okay, fine. That's good enough. What else can I say about this? Oh, in the beginning, it does have a cast. Okay, that is the stronghold. That's what I really wanted. I'm like, will this product give my curls a strong hold and just have them lasting? And to be honest, my hair may have lasted a little bit longer. I mean, it's still looking good. This is day 9, and day 10, I might be able to get away with it, but I have to be very careful not to go too far, because I will take something to the hilt. I will go too far and then be dealing with knots and tangles and all that. So I got to be careful. But it might have been longer if I wasn't just messing in it all the time and trying to fluff it up. You know, had I fluffed it up in the beginning, had I diffused it in the beginning, then I probably, you know, it probably would be where I wanted it, and I wouldn't have felt the need to just always doing all of this. But again, I mean, the product held up to me doing that still. And I love a cast. Some people like, I don't like crunchy hair. No, give me the crunchy hair, because now I know it's going to last. It's going to last me some time, because I don't have the time. I don't want to make the time to be clawing stuff in my hair, you know, within 4 days. When people say their wash and goes last in 4 days, I'm like, oh, as if. I don't think so. If it's 4 days, then I might as well just put my hair in a ponytail or something. I'm not doing it, honey. Anyway, all that said, I'm going to put the links to the products. I got it off Amazon, but you could also get it directly from the website, and I know they sell it a lot of other places too, you know. I want to well, I said I know, but I don't know that I know that. I didn't really look. I think I presumed it. I might have seen it at other places like Ulta or something like that. Just go ahead and check it out. I'll put the links that I know down there for you to check out. I love it as a you know, to sleek the ponytails, the hair be slayed, okay? And yeah, I'm digging this. I mean, this is day 9. This is day 9, and I'm going to say this. My top 3 was Wetline Extreme, Curl Maker, and forget the other one, but I was getting, it was like $1. I was getting it from Family Dollar, and I used that one time, and I think that only gave me like 4 or 5 day hold. I can't remember, but I did do a video on those. But I'm gonna have to say that this curl pattern, this Pattern Beauty gel is gonna it's gonna be in my top 3. I'm gonna say top 2, top 2. Because truth be told, I mean, 9, 10 days is enough, but I love 14 days. So I'm gonna say top 2, very close, like a 1B. Whereas Wetline Extreme is 1A. Now I have to say with Wetline Extreme, I also feel the moisture in my hair, and I feel the moisture in my hair now. But with Wetline Extreme, I noticed that it elongates the curl pattern more. Whereas Curl Maker makes them scrunchy, and so does the Pattern Beauty. The curls are more like tight, okay, in your wash and go. So you have choices. That's another thing that I love about our hair, how versatile it is. But if I want the curl pattern to be tighter, I can use a different product. If I want it to be a little bit looser, I can use another product, you know. So anyway, that's really it about that. It's a very, very thick gel. I don't have the container here with me because, I mean, is that boring? You know, like looking at the consistency of a gel. It's very thick. It's not like any other gel that I have ever used. It smells like the salon or something, and it is a very thick, nice, like you turn it upside down and it's not going anywhere. I love it. I love that, and I feel held. That's the word. When I scoop the gel out, I feel held. That's it. Anyway, okay guys, until the next video, live simply and be kind. I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm having fun talking about hair again, you know, when I can. So I'll talk to you later.